Hi, this is Rajesh. Today we are going to do progressions, exercise 6.3. In that, second question, that is, find the sums given below. Okay, in that I have written only one problem. So here they have given one arithmetic progression, that is 7 plus 10 1 by 2 plus 14 plus and so on plus 84. We need to add all the terms which are present in this arithmetic progression. See, first term is there, last term is there. We can find sum of all these terms by using formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus an, where a is first term, an is last term. See here, a is nothing but 7, an is nothing but 84. But if you are going to find sum of all these terms by using this formula, we need one more quantity. What is that? That is n, number of terms in this arithmetic progression we have to know. How do we find n? See here, when we know a and an, isn't it? So we can find n that by using the formula nth term an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. By using this formula we can find n. Then what about d? D is nothing but a2 minus a1. 10 1 by 2 minus 7, we can get a2, or else 14 minus 10 1 by 2, we will get a common difference d. So here first we will write an and a, later we will find common difference d. After that we will find number of terms. So we can simplify this problem by using Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus an. So first of all, whatever we know, we have to write those things. A is equal to 7. Next, an is equal to 84. After that, common difference d is equal to a2 minus a1. a2 is nothing but 10 1 by 2. 10 1 by 2 minus 7. 10 1 by 2 means 21 by 2 minus 7. Next take LCM, that is 2. Okay, here 21 minus 14 we will get. Now d is equal to 7 by 2. Common difference d is equal to 7 by 2. So what did I tell you? Formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus l, or else a plus an is the formula to find sum of n terms when you know first term and last term. But here we don't know n, we need to find n. By using the formula general term of arithmetic progression, that is an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. By using this formula we need to find number of terms. So an last term, that is 84. 84 is equal to a plus, a means 7 plus n minus 1 into d. So here n minus 1 into d. What is the value of d? D is nothing but 7 by 2. So here this can be written as n minus 1 into 7 by 2 is equal to 84 minus 7. What is the value? 84 minus 7. 84 minus 7 is nothing but 77. Now n minus 1 is equal to 77 into 2 by 7. See here 7 by 2. After is equal to 2 by 7. Reciprocal. Now 7 ones are 7 11s are. See here n minus 1. N minus 1 is equal to 20. 11 2s are 22. 22. So n is equal to 22 plus 1. N is equal to 23. We got n is equal to 23. But our aim is find the sum given below. See here Sn is equal to, when you know first term and last term, or else we can use Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, both are same only. So here we know last term and first term. It is better to use Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus an, a plus an. So n is nothing but 23. 23 by 2 into a value. What is the value of a? That is 7 plus an. An value is 84. 84. Next, 23 into 7 plus 84. 84 plus 7. Its value is 91 divided by 2. So here we need to multiply 23 and 91. See here, 91 into 23. 3 ones are 3, 3 nines are 27, 2 ones are 2, 2 nines are 18. So 3, 9, 0, 1. 2093. 2093 by 2 is the value. 2093 by 2. We can convert this one into mixed fractions. See here, 2093 divide with 2. 2 tens are 20. So drag 9. 2 fours are 8 minus, after that this one will become 13. So here 2 6 are 12. Now its value is 1046 1 by 2. Is it clear or not? So sum of the given terms 7 plus 10 1 by 2 plus 14 plus and so on plus 84 is 1046 1 by 2 or else 2093 by 2. Okay, second problem in the second question. 34 plus 32 plus 30 plus and so on plus 10. We need to find the value of this one. So here also we need to use the same formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus an. Here we know that last term and first term. So if you want to use that formula, we need one more quantity, that is n. First thing, we need to find number of terms. How can we find number of terms? By using general term, that is an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. By using that formula, we need to find number of terms. Once we find number of terms, we can easily find sum of the terms which are present in this problem. Now here, first thing, a is equal to 34. Next, common difference, d is equal to a2 minus a1. So what is the value of a2? 32 minus 34. So its value is minus 2. After that, an is equal to last term, that is 10. Now Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus an is the basic formula to find sum of terms which are present in this arithmetic progression when we know first term and last term. But here we need to find n. Am I correct or not? So if you are going to find n, we need to use nth term or general term of arithmetic progression. Am I correct or not? So here an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Why we need to use this one? We need to find number of terms. When we find number of terms, then only we can find sum of these terms. Otherwise we can't find. So here a means 34 plus n minus 1 into d means minus 2. an, what is the value of an? That is 10. Now here this can be written as n minus 1 into minus 2 is equal to 34, 10 minus 34. 10 minus 34. See here, 10 minus 34 is equal to n minus 1 into minus 2. For our convenience, I am writing like this. N minus 1 into minus 2 is equal to 10 minus 34. So here we will get n minus 1 into minus 2 is equal to 10 minus 34. That is minus 24. Am I correct or not? So minus 24. After that, n minus 1 is equal to minus 24 by minus 2. Minus minus gets cancelled. 2 ones are 2 12s are. So n minus 1 is equal to 12. Then n is equal to 12 plus 1. So n is equal to 13. What is the value of n? N is equal to 13. So here n is equal to 13 we got. N is equal to 13. But our aim is we need to find sum of these terms. So here Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus an. This is the formula. N is nothing but here 13. So 13 by 2 into a value is 34 plus an value is 10. Is it clear or not? N is nothing but 13, a is nothing but 34, an is nothing but 10. Now 13 by 2 into 44. After that 2 ones are 2 22s are. So here 13 into 22 we will get. So here 22 into 13. 13 2s are 26. 13 2s are 26 plus 2. 286. Therefore, 13 into 22 is equal to 286. 286. Sum of 34 plus 32 plus 30 plus and so on plus 10 is equal to 286. In the second problem, third one. Minus 5 plus of minus 8 plus of minus 11 plus and so on plus of minus 230. We need to add these things. Am I correct or not? So here same formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus an. So here we don't know n. We have to find n by using nth term of arithmetic progression. That is an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. By using that we can find n. After that we can find sum of these terms. Is it clear? So here first one, a is equal to minus 5. Next an is equal to minus 230. After that common difference d is equal to a2 minus a1. So a2 is nothing but a2 minus a1. a2 is nothing but minus 8 minus 8. So minus of minus 5. Now we will get minus 8 minus into minus plus 5. Minus 8 plus 5 we will get minus 3. After that we need to find n. If you are going to find, we have to use nth term of arithmetic progression. That is an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So here an is nothing but minus 230 is equal to a value is minus 5 plus n minus 1 into minus 3. So this can be written as, for our convenience, we can write as minus 3 into n minus 1 is equal to minus 230 plus 5. Minus 5. Before is equal to plus 5. So minus 230 plus 5 is equal to n minus 1 into minus 3. For our convenience, I am writing like this. Minus 3 into n minus 1 is equal to minus 230 plus 5. So this can be written as n minus 1 is equal to minus 230 plus 5. Minus 225 divided by minus 3 is multiplying. After is equal to, it will divide. So minus minus gets cancelled. 3 ones are, 3 sevens are, next 3 fives are. So here n minus 1 is equal to 75. Then n is equal to 75 plus 1. So n is equal to 76. N is equal to 76. After that, our aim is we need to find minus 5 plus half minus 8 plus half minus 11 plus and so on plus half minus 230. For that formula, Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus an is the basic formula. So n is nothing but here 76 by 2 into A plus AN. A value is minus 5 plus AN value is minus 230. Is it clear or not? So here 2 ones are 2, 38s are 38 2s 76. Now 38 into minus 5 plus of minus 230. So minus 235 we will get. Minus 235. Later we need to multiply. Plus into minus, minus. Now 235 we need to multiply with 38. See here. 8 5s are 40, 8 3s are 24, 24 plus 4, 28. 8 2. Next 8 2s are 16, 16 plus 2, 18. Next 3 5s are 15, 1, 3 3s are 9 plus 1, 10, 1, 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1, 7. So here 0, next 9, 8. So its value is minus 8,930. Minus 8,930. See here, sum of minus 5 plus of minus 8 plus of minus 11 plus and so on plus of minus 230 value is minus 8,930. Okay, thank you.